Today I'm going to be replacing the coolant reservoir cap on my 986 Boxster. I read online that the older versions of this plastic cap are known to leak. You'll see that the last two digits end in 01 on mine. I ordered a new part from Sunset Porsche Parts and it cost around $30. It did have to be imported from Germany, so I asked them to expedite it for an extra $3 shipping, or else it was going to take close to a month to get here. When you remove the cap, just make sure that your engine is cold, or else your coolant system is going to be under pressure. So my car's been sitting overnight. This is the old cap here. And side by side with the new one, it's a little bit difficult to tell what the exact difference is. But for $30, and the cap has got to be close to 21 years old now. So when you tighten the new cap down, you're going to want to make sure it's snug, but you're not going to want to over tighten it. And I'm going to hang on to the old one just in case I have any issues with the new one. And pretty simple job. It's a good idea while you're in here to check your coolant level if it's been a while since you've checked it. In order to do that, you're just going to look down here at the gauge, and it's a little bit difficult to see in this lighting, but when the car is cold and it's on a level surface, you're going to want to make sure that your coolant level is in between the minimum and the maximum line there. So mine looks good. I'm just getting back from a drive with the car, and throughout the drive I kept my eye on the temperature gauge to make sure there wasn't any issues there, and then just popped the trunk, made sure there wasn't anything leaking. So everything's good to go.